Hello student, this is Raman Gowda, lecturer in commerce, Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. As we know, we are discussing statistics, chapter interpolation and the extrapolation. We are discussing the problems on binomial method. In these problems, we will find the missing values. In these problems, we will find the missing value. Okay. Today also we will discuss the one more problem of finding the missing values. Here is the problem is there. Find out the missing values in the following data. Find out the missing values in the following data. The data is given like this: x and the y. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, y values 5, 8, and this we have to identify 13, 15, and this we have to identify, right? Here already I have told you that if I want to solve the problems, if I want to find any missing value, I should know the Pascal triangle. This Pascal triangle will help us to find out the missing values. Okay, now we will find the solution for this problem. I will show you. These all are the x values. X values they have given. X value is they have given. Along with that, they also given the y values. Okay, here I will write the y values. Y values are 5, 8, and one more. We have to find the y2 value. We have to find y3 13, y4 15, and the y5 we have to find out the values, right? For our comfortableness, we have to write the y0, y1, y2, y3, and the y4. We know the value of y0, y1, and y2 we have to find out, and y5 we have to find out. Two values here we have to find out. One is the y2 value. Y2 value we have to find out. Another one is the y5 value. Y5 value we have to find out. These two value here we will find, right? Y2 value and the y4 value. I think you know how we will get these y2 and the y5 values. Here how many known values are there? Here totally they have given the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values they have given. Out of 6 value, we know the 4 values are the known values of y. 4 values are the known values of y. Only we know the four values are known values. 4 values are known values. What are those 4 values? It is y not, comma, y1, comma, y3, comma, y4. These 4 are the known values. These 4 are the known values, and the unknown values are, what are the unknown values? Unknown values are 2. One is the y2 and the y5. y2 and the y5 are the unknown values. These two values we have to find out. Unknown values y2 and the y5. These two value we have to find out, right? This is the problem what they have given. Already you know 4 values means we have to write y minus 1 to the power of 4, y minus 1 to the power of 4. Already I have told you that y minus 1 to the power of 4 means this is the fourth, y minus 2 to the power of 4th. It means here we will consider all these values, right? By the help of the Pascal triangle, okay, y minus 1 to the power of 4 means these all are the values. This is the y minus 1 to the power of 4, y minus 1 to the power of 4. Okay, this is the values. These all are considered as a values of y minus 1 to the power of 4, right? That we will expansion of y minus 1 to the power of 4 is, already I have told you that y4, y3, y2, y1 and y0. Okay, along with that plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, and here these values, what are those values? 4, 6, 4 and the 1. How we will get? By the help of the Pascal triangle. Y minus 1 to the power of 4. Okay, these all are the values. Okay, what are the values? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Same thing here. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. I will enter here 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, these all are the values. Okay, these all are the values. Okay, same values I have put here. 1, 4, 6, 4 and the 1. This is called as the equation number 1. This is called the equation number 1. And the second equation can be obtained by increasing the suffixes of each term of y by 1, keeping the coefficients same. Okay, then we will get y minus 1 to the power of 4. Y minus 1 to the power of 4. Y minus 1 to the power of 4 is equal to, instead of writing y4 we will write the y5. Okay, nothing to change. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y4 ಬದಲು ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ y5. ಓಕೆ, y3 ಬದಲು y4, y2 ಬದಲು y3, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ plus minus plus, here also plus minus and the plus, same value it will be continue, and that equation is considered as a, this is equation 1 and this is called as the equation number 2. Equation 1 and the equation 2. Okay, if I put the values in the equation 1 from the equation 1, what is the equation 1 is y4. This is the equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? Equation 1 is, this is the equation y4. This is the equation. If I put the values here, okay, y4, what is the y4 value? 15. Okay, 15. Okay, next minus 4 into what is the y3 value? It is 13. Okay, 4 into 13. Next plus 6. Okay, plus 6 as it is. Y2 value, we don't know the y2 value, so I have written as it is y2 value. Okay, next minus I have written 4 into what is the y1 value? Y1 value is 8, so I have written 8. Plus I have written plus what is the y0 value? Y0 value is 5, so the 5 value I have entered here. Understood what I am saying? Okay, putting the values of y0, y1, y2, okay, and the y4 values, then I will get this equation. If I simplify this equation, okay, I will get the on simplification, okay, I will get the, just to take a calci and you multiply and you minus, then we will get the 15 minus 52 plus 6y. How we will get the 15? It is 15 minus 4 into 13. I will write here once again for your purpose. What is this? It is 15 into 15 minus 4 into the bracket 13 minus plus, what is the plus value? 6y2 minus 4 into the bracket, it is 4 into 8, 4 into 8, bracket close, minus 3 plus, it is 5, plus 5. So if I simplify it, I will get it is 15 minus 4 into 13, 52, plus we don't know the value of 6y2, we don't know the value, we have to identify, minus, okay, 4 into 8, it is 32, plus 5, okay, is equal to how much I will get? It is 60. 6y2 is equal to 6y2 is equal to 64. Okay, therefore y2 is equal to 64 divided by 6. I will get it is 10.67. Okay, this value is called as the y2 value. This value is called as the y2 value. Okay, this is the y2 value. Got it what I am saying? Okay, just to take a calci and multiply it and you will get the answer. That is the y2 value. Okay, now we got the y2 value. What is the y2 value? Y2 value is here. Okay, y2 value is, it is 10.67. It is 10.67. Next we have to identify the y5 value. Okay, next we have to identify the y5 value. I will tell you how to find out. We will get the y5 value from the equation 2. Here is the equation. If I increase the suffixes 1 for the equation 1, then I will get the equation 2. And if I put the values in the equation 2, okay, if I put the values in the equation 2, I will get the values. Got it? Okay, next we will find from the equation number 2. Okay, y5, what is the equation number 2? Already we have find out here. Y5 4y4, okay, 6 y3. Okay, we will write here. Okay, from y5 4y4 plus 6y3 minus 4y2 plus y1. Okay, y5 I have written as it is. y4 value is it is 15 is there, the same values I have entered here, 15. Okay, plus I have taken as it is, 6 I have taken as it is, into y3. What is the value of y3? y3 value is 13. I have entered the 13. Okay, 13 I have entered here. Minus is there, I have taken the minus as it is. 4 into y2 value we have find out here, it is 10.67. it is 10.67 I have entered, plus I have taken as it is, plus. Okay, y1 value is it is 8. Okay, the same value I have entered, the values 8. Okay, y5 I have taken as it is, y5 minus 4 into 15 it is 60, plus 6 into 13 it is 78, minus I have taken as it is 4 into 10.67, we will get it is 42.68. it is 42.68. take a calci, 4 into 10.67 it is 42.68, plus 8 I have taken the same values. So minus 16 minus 42.68, okay, it is, and plus 78 and plus 8. Just to take a calci, if I simplify it, I will get the values. y5 is equal to 16.67. y5 is equal to 16.67. So the value of y5 is, it is 16.67. Therefore here we can write the conclusion as y2 value is equal to 10.67 and y5 value is equal to 16.67. y2 and the y5 value 10.67 and the 16.67, the same value we have to write here. Okay, this is the problem for you people, just to practice at home. Okay, just to practice at home, then only it's become very easy to solve. Okay, and please practice this Pascal triangle also. Practice this Pascal triangle, it's become easy for you people. Right, this is the problem for you people. Please refer once again. Okay, you write this Pascal triangle, okay, in a page and paste where you will sit and where you will study. Okay, then only it's become very easy to find out this value. Without Pascal triangle we cannot solve the interpolation and the extrapolation problems. Okay, please write and please practice. Okay, in next session we will solve the different problem. Okay, most problems we will find out the missing value, only 2 missing values, not more than that. Okay, we can find out, okay, not 3-4 missing value also we can find out, but for here we are solving the problems on missing values, the 2 missing values we are solving the problems. Okay, this is the problem. Please practice at home, please learn the Pascal triangle. Okay, then only it's become easy, and we cannot by heart all these values, we cannot by heart all these the values 2 3, okay, and to the power of all these the power we cannot by heart it. For that reason we have to practice, okay, we have to write in a page, and then only it's become very easy for you people. Okay, thank you student. Okay, we are solving the many problems. Okay, next sessions also we will solve the problem on the interpolation and the extrapolation, or we will move to the another method called as the Newton method is there. If it is possible we will move on to the Newton's method. Okay, these all are the very small problems, very small problems. Okay, practice at home. Thank you.